Hey guys, this is Venkat from digitalvenka.com. Today we're going to learn about a project management tool, Trello. Trello helps you to collaborate with your team and also as a able to work done. Trello uses boards, lists and cards which enable you to organize and prioritize your project in a fun, flexible and rewarding way. Let me scroll through this website. You can able to go to this website by searching Trello.com. You see it mentioned that it works with any team, whether it's for your personal work or a side project or even the family vacation. You can able to set it in this Trello tool. Just information at a glance, you can able to see that in the once we sign up through the Trello, then it built-in workflow automation with Butler. You can able to see that. You can also see how it works. Like this board, it will be available here. You can able to do it. We can able to move around it. Trello also helps you to communicate with other tools like a productive platform, integrates with the apps your team already use directly into your workflow. Let me sign up through here. Let me add my email. Let me sign up here. It's free. Let me enter my name here and my password. Sign up here. You can also use your Google account or your Microsoft account. Once you sign up, you will go to the Trello user interface. It will be take through step to create the boards, lists and cards. You can able to see this user interface of Trello. See, first it's telling welcome to Trello. You can organize just about anything Trello board. Start by naming your board something related to the project you're working on. Let me add a project like June 2020 online activities. Let me simply add this, then move to the next. It will see that it will be the name of the board. Then what we need to create as the list. What are the things to do in the June online activities? What we doing, what we done. It can able to create list like this. A list is a collection of cards. It can be set of ideas, a group of tasks or a stage in a project. You will add cards to your list. Next, a lot of people like to start with it. So we can able to change this. We can able to see things to do, doing and done. Let me move this next. You can see take a load off with cards, make card for things you need to do, organize and just get out of your head. First I like to do for YouTube. Next I like to do for blog or social media. Social media, what are the activity, what are the posts I need to do, I'll put it as card. Then next you can able to get into detail. When you click on card, we can able to attach file, add checklist, post commands. Let we do this later using this. We can all start by adding a checklist item to your YouTube card. We will do this later. You can see now you are pro, keep building your board. Now you can able to, the Trello will set up everything for us. You can see what we have added is a board name here, things to do, doing, done. We can able to see that YouTube, blog and social media. We can also enter another thing, another code from here. You can also close this. explore the interface of Trello. When we click this icon, it goes to more from Atlassian. Is Trello and Atlassian products are there. Trello has been sold to Atlassian, and you can able to go to Home by click this icon. Home will consist of the recently viewed and personal boards which we created here. We can also create new boards here. We can able to select templates which we'll see later. When we press home, it goes to the home of our account. We can also create a team using this. When we create a team, we can able to add our teammates here, like by with their team type. Like if anyone from operation cells, we can able to add them using that, and you can also add the description, and you can able to add the team here by pressing the continue button. Next, we can able to see that there is new stuff, any new updates will be come here. We can also search cards here, and next we can create a team, create a board, and create business team using this icon. It consists of the information like pricing, apps, blog, privacy, and more. When you press update, you can get any notifications from Trello. We can able to see here, and also our account details will be available here, and shortcuts can be created for Trello using this option. Settings and cards, activities, and logout will be present here. Next, we go to the our board which I've created earlier. You can see that there are things to do, doing, done. If I like to add a list, we can able to easily add here. Like if I done something, I like to back up it. So I like to add whether it has been back up or not. We need to add backup and press this add list. Then we can able to add this as a list. If I like to have YouTube, we can able to enable it, edit this using this icon. If I edit this, we can able to edit the labels. We can able to change members which I've created earlier, like for teams. We can move to another. If I click here move, I can able to move this format to another board. We can able to move it quickly here. We can also make a copy of this list, sorry, copy of this card, and change due date, which will do. We can also make the RQ of it, and we can able to press the save button here. We can also edit this using this pressing here. We can able to see, add the description, members, and everything here. Like if I like to add a description for the YouTube, creating YouTube videos for digital bank. You can also add members to it. You can able to add a members here from the team. Can also do labels here. If I like to add, it's a green, it's in the first stage. You can also add few labels here. Then we can go here. We can also add checklist. Also add the due date. If I like to complete this task within 1 day, I can able to add 8, and I can able to say set reminder using this. We can able to get reminders. We can able to save it, and also we can add attachment factors. Attachment we can add Google Drive, Dropbox. From that attachment we can also add PDF from here. Also covers consists of, if we have seen that in attractive way, we can able to see this card. So we can, if I like to have a cover, if I like to upload a cover page image, we can also add image using Unsplash. If I like to add this, you can able to add here. If you like to change the color of it, you can able to change it here. If I like to add here from here, image can be easily added here using Unsplash. Also, then we can able to get power up. Power ups is less like add-ons where we can able to integrate this Trello with other apps. We can able to move, which we see earlier. We able to copy it. We can able to make a template of it. We can able to watch. Watch is that if I like to see this as a first priority in our Trello board, we can able to keep it as watch. So it will be appear on the top of the boards. Then RQ, if I like to have a RQ of this, we can able to share it using here. If I like to add this, and if I like to change it, it will be in an attractive form, or you can able to see that in YouTube. Same that we can able to do it for blog and social media. Next, if I like to add a card here, like for YouTube, I need to plan to create a beginner course on Canva. I can able to add a card here. If I like to add another, create videos on Adobe products. I can able to add here. Then I need to create videos on digital marketing. Add a card. For blog, if I like to add, create blog on security of WordPress. You can able to add a card. You can able to update plugins on blog, which you need to do. Or say social media, we can add, create a Instagram story or blog. We can able to add a card here. Then like that, if I like to change it, the color, you can able to edit it here. Then if I like to change it, add a same, it will be available here. If I like to label it as orange to it, since we are doing it, we can able to add it and we can able to close it. If I like to, if I like done that, create videos on Adobe product, I can able to move it here to the next card. See, easily we can able to move it here. And if I like to add another label here, which I have completed read, I done it. You can add labels here and you can able to make it here. If I done that video, if I done for videos on digital marketing, I can able to move here. If I done all Adobe products and publish to a YouTube video, if I like to have a backup to my drive, I can able to move with it, whether I move that backup or not, so that we can able to move this from to do to doing. Like if I like to add some research on topic before posting a video, I can able to easily add, sorry, we can able to easily add it. So we can able to easily drag it like here. If I go to like doing this, create a beginner course on, first I like to do a research on the topic and then I can able to doing it. I can done and then made a backup for it. We can also able to see that we can able to change members. So we can able to assign a member to that. If he can't able to do that process, if he is busy or she is busy, we can able to change members here using this. As a team, we can able to work on that. So we can able to see that it's a personal. We can able to personal on boards. We can able to add and create a team using here. We can able to make it a private, only on board members can able to see, or our team members can able to see. If we go to public, we can, everyone can see. If like we like to provide our link to our client, what the status of that project, we can able to provide it as public here. So you can also invite them with a link here. And also you can go to the butler, it will be automatic. You can able to learn through any tutorials there. And you can able to see what the stickers here, what add the board. If you like to add a description about this board, we can able to add it here. If I like to add a comments for our members, we can able to add a comments here. Then you can able to go change the background. If I like to change the background, if I like to pick up any photos from here, like say if I like to change this, if you like to change this, you can able to see that it has been automatically updated here. The images coming from Unsplash, it is free. Then we can able to search cards here. If I like to do and done, we would like to add search a card, we can able to search it here. We can also add stickers from here. Like if I created here, if a thumbs up to the work they done, we can able to add it here. If I go to more, there are more options, settings, labels, archived items, email to board settings. That there will be an email generator. If that email has been sent to a client or someone, if he or she, if I send some update to that board, it will be updated in your board. You can able to see that watch, I have already shown that copy board, you can able to copy it. Print and board, this board, we can able to print a copy of this board. Close board, you can able to close it. Link to this board, you can able to supply this link to your board. Only board members can see it and edit this board. You can able to see the butler and also power-ups, like I told already. We can able to integrate with other apps like calendar, Google Drive, or Slack. You can able to add it here. And also activities, what are the changes we made until we can able to see it here. Activity, what members have changed here, what the teammates are here. We can see that activity for the whole board. We can able to see that here, which is shown in the show menu. Also, we can able to easily get the templates from template option. I've already spoken about this template. If I go to templates, if I like to have a template, like if you go to marketing, let it load. If I go to marketing, we can able to see templates which are currently there for marketing. Who already created about this template, like inbound marketing, safety market, scarcity marketing, ING marketing, blog content schedule, like blog workflow. If I click it here, we can see 6.9K viewers have already viewed here. You can able to use this template like links. The boards has been archived like that. You can able to get a easy template. We can able to use this template. Like if I go to any project manual, let me go templates and see for any software development, there is any project is there. See, there is a project, a template for web development. Template to help web developers to organize, manage tasks and features for their projects and website development, like from upcoming planned features, backlog, new features we need to add to the website, or running tasks, fix and upgrades. Phase one testing needs to done there, done ready and done and deployed. We can use this template. There is a 3.1K copies, 15.8K views are already there for this web development template. So we can able to use this template and you can able to edit it for our projects. You can see that we can able to add a template. You can able to create it. The card will be private and keep cards. You can able to creating boards here. You can see that you can able to go and see in our boards. Let me go to, you can see that it is automatically add to our boards. We can able to see that, we can able to change that, we can able to give permission to our members, team members. Easily we have run this task and we can see where, in which space our project is there. So use this free tool. Also we see the pricing for this. If you go to the pricing, see there is normal free for per user per month for our, and see unlimited personal boards. We see that boards will be there, and unlimited cards. The next cards will be there, and unlimited list will be there. For the free board, 10 MB per file attachment and 10 team boards and 1 power board for the free one. We can able to see that offer here. For business class, we can able to see here is annually. For monthly is 12.1. For 100 users, enterprise 100 users, we can see this option. So we can able to get that. I will put the link down to get that to go to Trello offer. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe this YouTube channel to watch videos like this. Thanks.